Good morning. We know my name is Mateen Chaudhary and I'm talking about Forex, finance, investment, YouTubing, blogging, affiliate marketing, Forex, cryptocurrency, investment in different stock, share, option, and derivatives. Also, I will speak about the personal finance and savings. So, I'll start from YouTubing. YouTubing or freelancing YouTube making is very important about to know your niche, that what subject you want to YouTubing. Some people, for example, doing cooking, some doing traveling, some doing lifestyle, some doing health guru, some doing these kitchen, different cuisine, some even the vegetarian, and also many in finance, banking, hundreds of niche, and now you can choose that what niche you want. I mean, where you are in more expertise or you are more relaxed that you can speak the subject, and when someone viewing or visiting, he or she interested and also benefits about your content or what you are talking or your subjects. For example, if somebody talk about the Ayurvedic of different plants and herbs, so is the natural healing. So if someone interested about how to natural way or home remedies for diabetics, for example, so in that case, that person when viewing and finding the authentic or some the truth behind what you are saying, or some research or some scientific historical evidence that that plant or that herbs works about the diabetics. So in that, when someone visits your one video and find it is very interesting and informative, then maybe searching you for your next video. So this is very important that when someone knows this subject and on that subject talking, then if any you can say YouTuber, then that case is a client or customer watching this video and then buy these things from wherever your source, then you will get a commission, and that is called affiliate marketing. I will come back little later. Now about the blogging, this is the huge world of the blogging, because when someone has an idea or someone has a specialist or expert of this subject, and on that case, the if he or she write a website blogging way, then the viewers or profit they read or watch the video, and if it is very authentic written or some information way, then the person who or she visiting your website, they may become back again, or they may be memorize your the YouTube account name and your picture or your name, and they may be searched. And that is very important about the YouTubing. It coming from the blogging to YouTubing and YouTube to blogging. This is a correlate. So if someone is read a content or read a story about blogging, and then he or she again will come, maybe search your name and to find your website and come back. So it's very, you can say that you need to specialist or something you have to be put to the community or put to the much people, so put to the information that the much people can benefit it, and that benefit is very important when someone read in maybe in your health things in Colombia or someone in Canada. So in that and they are pursuing, maybe that person again want to see. So searching and coming and then they found you have a another 20, 30 video in different information. So there will be more and more searching you, and you will be in a authoritarian your blogging. Now about affiliate marketing, that is very important. It is now is the modern a phenomenon that everyone wanted to be affiliate marketing. What is that? Actually, affiliate marketing is like a salesman, and this salesman he running everywhere to find the client or customers, and that person knows how to get the client or customers. Unfortunately, many of the things is now still in the blogging or use side, and it is a huge market, and someone can make a nice idea, and on that basis a niche either in YouTube or the blogging can start. So I will appeal my brothers and sisters that before you start a forex or before the money YouTube or blogging, you need to learn and research about these things. And on that basis, you have to make your YouTubing or blogging where you can put to the net or your website or YouTube some contribution or some information where is good for the people, a good evidence that this is the truth. Again, I am saying very important is the truth, always truth. You never do anybody's video copying or any music or anything. All you can do your own generic and honest way to build your YouTube or the blogging sites. Now about the affiliate marketing, hundreds of companies offering to the affiliate marketer a good commission. And about the affiliate marketing, there are different type of things. Some people doing affiliate with the very high technology companies. In that case, the person who already working with this subject anywhere or some experiences, then can someone cope and some can do better. Same like the other person, if somebody is doing the restaurant business in Middle East and then go to the Bangladesh and they wanted to do another business type of the shoe business certainly. So in that case you cannot write a good YouTube or you cannot write a good blog. You have to be some kind of experience, a few years even. Then you can confident that this is the things I can promote. Yes, of course, there is a online and work from home, but the impunity is that end of the day somebody delivered you or somebody making food for you. So this is the things you have to know is like offline business or there is no internet and doing you business. So you know certainly something happened. Now in that case you need to be covering or you need to be protected, and this is the way you can expertise your own strength, and you will work on your strength, and if you have weakness then you have to be recovered this weakness and do more about the acting